你好，我是 Javid，欢迎回来我的频道。Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Javid. Let's start today's class. Do you know how to say I want to learn Chinese, which we learned in last class? Do you remember that? Please try to speak it out loud. Right. 我想学中文。So in this class, we would cover some more verbs which will help us to speak Chinese clearly, like a native speaker. So are you ready? Let's dive right in. Before covering other verbs, we would learn other meanings of xiang. Xiang also means to think, to miss, and we also learn how to use as a want. Do you know how to say I am thinking about you in Chinese? For I, we use 我. So I am thinking about you in Chinese would be 我在想你，我在想你，我在想你。Repeat after me. 我在想你。Now let's learn how to use 想 to mean to miss. So we have to learn first some words like very much or a lot. In Chinese we say 很 很. Repeat after me. 很. So I want to say I miss you a lot. So I would just say 我很想你，我很想你。Repeat after me. 我很想你。I miss you a lot. Now we have learned complete usage of 想 verb, which means to want, to miss, to think. Now we can cover other verbs as well. But if you have any question regarding this, you can ask from me in comment box. I will definitely answer your questions. Now let's learn how to say I like it. For this phrase, we have to learn new verb which is like. In Chinese, we say 喜欢, 喜欢 means like. Repeat after me. 喜欢 like. So if I want to say I like it, I would say 我喜欢它. Tha is also used as it. Tha means it. In speaking, tha is same for it, he, she. But in written, it is quite different. Now we know the verb to like, 喜欢. So now let's use it more so we can keep remembering. I like you. How to say I like you in Chinese? Try to say it out loud. Correct. 我喜欢你。我喜欢你。I like you. 我喜欢你。For coffee, in Chinese, we use a word which is 咖啡. 咖啡. Repeat after me. 咖啡. So, if we want to say I don't like coffee, I would say 我不喜欢咖啡. Repeat after me. 我不喜欢咖啡. I don't like coffee. Okay, so we have learned how to say I like. 我喜欢. 我喜欢. I like. Now you can add any word with it. I like tea. For tea in Chinese, we say cha. Cha. So how to say I like tea? 我喜欢茶. I like tea. Another verb in Chinese which is also means to want, it is yao. So one in Chinese is e. E, repeat after me. E, one. Glass in Chinese we say pei, pei, pei. For water we use a word in Chinese shui, shui, shui. So now let's learn how to say I want a glass of water. In Chinese we just say for I, 我 want, 要 I want a glass of water. A, 一 我要一 I want a glass of water. 杯杯我要一杯水我要一杯水 I want a glass of water. For difference between xiang and yao, you can watch my video right here or here. Thank you so much for your watching. If you like this video, give a like. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and keep watching this course. You would learn a lot from it. Don't forget to ask your questions in comment box. 再见。